Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to see saved listings on Facebook Marketplace on mobile for 2025. If you're an avid shopper or just browsing for deals, knowing how to access your saved items can save you tons of time and frustration. This feature has been updated in the latest app version, so let's get straight into it. First off, make sure you have the Facebook app updated to the 2025 version on your mobile device. This ensures you have all the newest features for a seamless experience. Open the Facebook app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner for iOS or top right for Android. Next, scroll down and select Marketplace from the menu. It's usually right there among your frequently used sections. Now, once you're in the Marketplace hub, look for your profile icon or the You tab at the top. Tap on that to access your personalized area. Here, you'll find a section labeled Saved or Saved Items. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all the listings you've saved will appear. You'll see a list of items you've hearted or saved for later, complete with photos, prices, and details. You can browse through them, tap on any listing to view more info, or even unsave items if you've changed your mind. If you don't see your saved listings, double-check your app settings under Privacy to ensure everything is enabled. And that's it, you've now mastered seeing your saved listings on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. This quick process keeps your shopping organized and efficient. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.